Today I am sharing with you an ingredient that is better than Botox, which removes wrinkles and fights skin aging. A few drops of it before bed will make your skin feel as tight as glass. Even if you are old, our recipes for today will restore the freshness of your skin. So to prepare the recipe, we need anise. It is also called Star Anise. This simple and inexpensive ingredient will make your skin glow. Fight wrinkles and fine lines by strengthening and tightening muscles. It works to reduce free radicals and thus prevents wrinkles and pale skin. Very useful for problems under the eyes such as dryness and dark circles. Well, the first step is to rinse the anise with water. Then put the anise in a pot. Okay, now we pour 200 ml of water. Then put the pot on a very low heat for 10 minutes. The pot must be covered to preserve the volatile oils in the anise. Then pour it into a bowl without filtering it. Okay, now cover the pot. Then put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. This step is important to obtain a concentrated solution. After this period, we filter it. Please, my dear friends, tell me from which country you follow my channel. Now we need a second ingredient, wheat germ oil. One of the best natural oils to restore damaged skin barrier. Add a teaspoon of wheat germ oil. Then we need a vitamin E capsule. Okay, now we're going to need a spray bottle. We empty the toner inside it for easy use. So this toner is used daily before bed, and you do not need to wash it off after that. Clean the skin with lukewarm water. Firstly, shake the bottle well. After drying your skin, spray this toner on your skin. Spread it all over your face and leave it until morning. This recipe can be suitable for all skin types. Keep it in the refrigerator door. Now let's move on to preparing the serum. We take a handful of anise, rinse it with water, and then dry it in the sun. Okay, now we grind the star anise. Then we take approximately 1 tablespoon of anise powder. Put it in a heat-resistant glass container. Then we immerse the anise powder in olive oil. We use 150 ml, then mix well. Then put the mixture in a water bath. We put it on a very, very low heat, meaning the lowest possible temperature. Until the oil is hot. Leave it for 40 minutes and stir the anise powder from time to time to distribute the temperature. Then cover the mixture and keep it for 3 days in a dark place at room temperature. During this period, shake the bottle from time to time. So after 3 days, we filter the oil. We enhance the effectiveness of this serum with rose oil. Rose oil stimulates blood circulation and lightens skin tone. Add a teaspoon and stir well. Okay, now we need to keep it in a sterile glass container. So the method of use is simple. First, clean your skin and dry it. Then apply this serum on your skin. You can use it on the neck, under the eyes, hands. Gently massage your skin with your fingertips in a counterclockwise motion. Continue massaging for 10 minutes to stimulate blood flow. You can repeat this process 3 times a week. You will notice the difference from the first week, freshness, and the beginning of the disappearance of dark spots. This recipe has no side effects and its results are very wonderful. My friends, you can keep the remaining quantity for a long time. Just keep it at room temperature and in a dark place. I also advise you to use both recipes together to get faster and more effective results. So, we have reached the end of the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet again.